And from the sunbeams out come the butterfly and blow the kiss.
Very good, Padwanti. Kevin, while performing, you can hang that mango cutout, okay? No need of now. He's crying, see? Once we start the session, you can hang that. Kevin's mom.
Yeah, ma'am, I didn't hear you. She was shouting, ma'am.
Yeah, at the time of his performance, you can hang that. Now you need not hang that. He's
Okay,
crying,
fine.
no?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, fine.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, Kevin. Don't cry, Kevin. I'll ask your parents to remove. Don't cry. It's Adarsh. Adarsh, what rhyme you'll sing today, Adarsh? Pentagon rhyme. Over, over. Huh? What he's singing? Which rhyme he's singing?
Over, ma'am.
Chucho, over, over.
சத்தமா பாடு. அப்புறம் next line.
Oh, where can it be?
With this. சொல்லு.
Ears so short.
Tail so long. அப்புறம் next line.
Oh, where can he be? Good morning, Mochita. Yes. Thank you, Madash. Mokshita, sing any rhyme. Over, under a web, pentagon rhyme, butterfly rhyme, rocket rhyme, whatever you know, you sing.
Over can it be? The dog gone. Over can it be?
Hmm.
Is the
With
ear
his ear short.
the side? Over can it be?
Very
Thank you,
good. Well done. Yeah, well done. Yes, Kevin still crying. Why? Why, Kevin, you're still crying?
Ma'am, actually today is his dad's birthday, ma'am. So relatives are there.
Oh,
So he wants to play with his cousins.
Achicho, what to do, Kevin? You are in one performance also. What to do? Okay, first I'll finish with Kevin. Once the session starts, I'll finish Kevin first, okay? And then you can leave. Let other children also join.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, Madhuvanti wants to sing over song, ma'am.
Come on, sing, Mama Dwanti.
Over, where my little dog gone? Over can it be? Yeah, so short and the state is so long. Over can it be?
Very good. Well done, Madhvanti. Good morning, Shavanya. Yes, come on, sing the rhyme, butterfly rhyme or under a web, pentagon rhyme, any rhyme you can sing now.
First come It's a butterfly and sister legs. Comes a caterpillar with many legs. Caterpillar with project is the dash.
And blows a kiss. Yes, very good. Well done. Yes, Ilango, good morning. Ilango, good morning. Yes, come on, sing any rhyme, Ilango. Under a web, over, or pentagon rhyme, rocket rhyme, whatever you want, you can.
Ma book. Ma'am, book.
What book you need?
I need book, ma'am.
What book you need, ma? Rhymes
This
book.
Okay. Now sing. Under a web part.
ಇದರ underway.
Say part.
Out.
Under a web song. Pardon. Come on, Ilango. Under a web. Pardon.
Underway. இது கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்.
நீ sing பண்ணம்மா எடுக்கிறேன். Come on, under a web பாடுங்க.
Under a web.
Side I gaze. Spider legs for eight. The book.
Legs has she. Okay, very good, Mailango. Good. Tilakar, good morning, Tilakar. Good morning. Yes, sing any rhymes, Tilakar. Over, under a web, rocket, pentagon, butterfly, any rhyme.
Pentagon.
Come on, sing pentagon rhymes.
Pentagon comes with 5 legs.
5 legs.
1, 2, 2,
Is this a rhyme?
5 sides.
Pentagon comes with 5 sides, with 5 sides, with 5 sides. A pentagon comes with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way you should sing, but you are not singing. Okay, over.
Over. Over, my little doggy. Over, my little doggy. Over.
Oh, where can he be?
Can't be.
With this. His ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? You're not at all learning rhymes at home, huh? Forgot all the rhymes, Tilakar. Forgot all the rhymes, Huh? Yes, sir. You're saying yes to me itself, huh? Naughty boy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, who is here? Nakshatra. Good morning, Nakshatra.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Good morning, Riyasri.
Ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. Good morning, Nitish. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Sing any rhyme, Ma, Nitish. Under a web. Over.
Iti dago. Over, ganindi.
With this. With his ears so short and his tail so long. Over. Very good. Well done. Riyasri, sing a rhyme. Rocket, pentagon, over, or else. Rocket.
Moving up the neck. It's the white moon with
Very good, Riyasri. Next, good morning, Sarah.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Looking very pretty in this dress. Okay. Come on, sing a rhyme. Good morning, Ma Nakshatra. Sing a rhyme. Over, under a web. Rocket, rocket. Sing. Over. With his ears so short. Where can he be? Yes? Okay, fine. Thank you, Sarah. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra, sing any one rhyme. Rocket, rocket, pentagon rhyme, under a web. Okay, over.
Over, it's my little dog. Over, can he be? This is so short, I am still so long. Over, can he be?
Very good. Well done. Yes, Nimalan, good morning. Nimalan, good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ayyo, what is this? What happened to Nimalan? What
Banana
is this?
tree, ma'am.
Banana tree. Achacho, pav, Nimalan. Okay, Nimalan, I'm not going to disturb you anyhow, okay? You stand up, children. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Come on. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Madhuvanti, Kids Anthem. Madhuvanti. Kids Anthem. You're the wings. Today I pledge. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, unmute yourself and say a big good morning to Vanilla Mom. Good morning. Okay, did you all see outside? Did you all look outside? Okay, butterfly Shavanya, good morning. Okay, did you all see outside, children? How is it? How is it outside? Did you all go outside and see? How is it? Huh? It is raining. மழை பெய்யுதா உங்க வீட்டாண்டெல்லாம்? Yes, it is raining. Okay, and it is very cold also, right? Okay, children, we'll start our session. First, we'll finish our attendance. Okay, mute yourself. Adya Sharma. Ilango. Ilango. Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin.
EYM.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri.
Malila, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Sarah.
Malila, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Ravina. Srinija. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Malila, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Thank you, children. Children, what are we going to celebrate today? No, what are we going to celebrate today? Huh? Yeah, Children's Day. Because on Children's Day celebration, we didn't celebrate on that day. It was leave on that day. Okay. So we are celebrating it today. Okay. And you all know why we celebrate Children's Day? எதுக்கு Children's Day celebrate பண்றோம்? Huh?
Neeru's birthday.
Very good, Madhuvanti. It is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. And how does the children call him? Do you know? குழந்தைங்கலாம் நேரு எப்படி கூப்பிடுவாங்க? You know? How do they call him? Who knows? They call him Chacha Nehru. Okay. So on behalf of his birthday, we celebrate that day every year. That is November 14th as Children's Day. So I am going to wish you Happy Children's Day to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, look at the screen. Happy Children's Day to everyone. Yes, be happy as always, children. Okay. See here, Jawaharlal Nehru. It is his birthday that we are celebrating Children's Day because he was very fond of children. He likes children very much, okay? And he fought for children's education also. And he believed that children are the future of our nation. Okay, children are very important and they are the future of our nation. So, here see. He always spent most of his time with children. He loved children and he fought for child education. Okay, children. So let me come back. Shall we start our performance? Yes, are you all ready? Let me see a thumbs up from you all if you are ready. Let me see a thumbs up from you all. Yes, ma'am is ready. Are you all ready? Yes, everyone is ready? Okay, fine. First, we'll ask Kevin. Okay, he's crying. Let us finish with Kevin first. Okay? Yeah, come on, Kevin. Kevin is going to talk about mango.
ஒண்ணுதான் சொல்றாங்க.
I think Kevin's mom, you don't tie that. You just hold that mango near him.
He is not leaving for that also.
Kevin, mango mummy hold பண்ணட்டும் Kevin. Tie பண்ண வேண்டாம், okay? Just hold it in front of him. Now you talk about mango. Hold it and talk about mango. Yes, very good boy. What is this?
What is this,
சொல்லு
Kevin?
சொல்லு
What is this, Kevin?
சொல்லு I am a man.
Mango.
Mango. சொல்லு. Kevin, சொல்லு. I am a mango. Kevin,
சொல்லு Kevin.
Kevin, ஒண்ணுதான் Kevin என்ன பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
இந்த தடவை
சொல்லு.
Kevin, you'll get chocolate, Kevin. Come on, speak about your mango.
I am a Kevin சொல்லு. I am a Kevin. I am a
சொல்லு I am a கேள்வி.
He's very busy in drawing, I think. You gave marker in his hand.
If I get it, for that also he's trying.
Kevin, come on, finish your prop talk. Come on. Kevin.
I am a
See, everyone is looking at you, Kevin. See here. Kevin. Kevin.
கெவின் சொல்லு கெவின்.
கெவின் சொல்லு கெவின்.
அவ்வளவுதான், அதோட கிளாஸே முடிச்சிரும்.
அவ்வளவுதான் சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க போலாம் Kevin. That's all. You just say
I am
about
a-
your mango and then you can go.
I am a வாய தொடக்கிறேன்.
Okay, fine. If you have time, you please record about his speech. He's saying,
No, ma'am, you not.
Okay, when you have time, you make him hold this mango and record his video and send it in group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sorry.
thank you. No problem, no problem. It happens. Okay, thank you, Kevin. Next is Ilango. Ilango.
Ma'am, give us 2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. I'll finish with Nimalan then. Nimalan.
Okay.
Nimalan.
நிமிலன் ஓடி ஓடி இங்க வா முன்னாடி வா சொல்லு சொல்லு குட் மார்னிங்
Good morning, ma'am.
குட் மார்னிங்
Good morning, everyone. I am going to talk
I can't see your face, Ma. Nimalan.
1 minute ma'am
I can't see your face. Now I can see.
அந்த கை அங்க
Start Nimalan.
okay ma'am
Yeah, right. Speak loudly, Nimalan, okay?
சும்மா சொல்லு
Good morning, ma'am. I am going to talk about uses of Londonderry. Londonderry, it grows in all season. At no branches, then can be eaten or rich in fiber content. Top of the trunk. Huge leaves draw tongue soft. Natural plate, packing food and for puja. Center of the leaf, purple color flower. Purple color flower rose. Cooking curries and for what does? Start and live into plant. Start and live into plant. Chips and veggies. Start and live into fruit. Fruit is called banana. Banana is soft, sweet, and have no seed. Vitamin J are rich in vitamin J, vitamin B, vitamin C, minerals, magnesium, and potassium. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh my God. Clap hands for Nimalan, all of you. He's fully covered with that banana leaf and he spoke about that banana tree. Very good. Thank you so much, Nimalan's mom and Nimalan too.
thank you
Okay, thank you, Ma. Very good. Okay. Next, we'll see Ilango. Okay, Ilango is ready, right?
Yes, ma'am, he is ready. Yeah.
Come on, Ilango. Ilango is going to talk about ice cream.
Hello, everyone.
Louder.
Hello, everyone. I am Yangutamaduram. Today I have an ice cream. Candy is there on my top. Everyone love me. I have different lips and colors.
Like strawberry.
Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. I have candy corn.
Okay.
I can exist.
Sattama.
I can make you tell.
I can.
Make you happy.
Sound.
But don't eat me. But don't eat me a lot.
Eat less.
Eat less. In the mouth.
Okay.
Thank you. Happy
Yes,
birthday.
very good, Ilango. Clap hands for Ilango. He spoke about ice cream and flavors of ice cream. Ice cream is cold or hot, children? Let me know. Ice cream is cold or hot?
Ice cream is cold or hot,
Ice cream is
Ilango?
cold or hot?
Go.
Cold. Very good. Cold. Thank you so much, Ilango and Ilango's mom. Thank you so much. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
Ma'am, give me 2 minutes. Ma'am, give me 2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Just,
fine. Mokshita. Mokshita.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everybody. I'm going to speak about rocket.
It's in my hand.
It's in my hand.
With the vision of
Distance and the rocket is a long circular device. The rest largest to stand is center after rocket. Yeah, firecracker. It was the rocket launched in January 1942. Rocket was used as a weapon. Rocket power is the sun and dust. Rocket ship is the rocket mass base. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Mokshita. Clap hands for Mokshita. She spoke about rocket. Very good. Thank you, Mokshita and Mokshita's mom. Next is Nakshatra.
Morning, friends.
My name is Nakshatra. I am going to speak about traffic signals.
Louder, ma Nakshatra. I'm not able to hear you.
Traffic signals.
I am going to learn today. Sound.
Can you please tilt the camera a little bit down? Only two lights are visible. Red and yellow. Green is not visible. Little bit closer you can bring your camera. Yeah. Now you speak, ma. From the beginning. Good morning, everyone.
Okay. சொல்லு.
Okay, fine.
சொல்லு. Okay.
One more time.
சொல்லு.
Please, one more time.
நான் very good girl சொல்லுவாங்க.
Very good girl.
Speak about traffic signals. Traffic signals. Speak color.
Red,
Yellow and green.
red indicates. Red indicates. சொல்லு.
Red indicates north. Yellow indicates south. Green indicates south.
Life safety.
Right side.
Thank you. Very good, Nakshatra. Super. Clap hands for Nakshatra for the traffic light. Very good. Well done. Thank you, Nakshatra. Thank you, Nakshatra's parents. Okay, next it is Nitish. Nitish. Parents, please take a snap of your child along with the costume or the prop they are using and send it in group. Okay, don't forget that. Nitish. Where is your apple?
Goodbye, everyone. So let's talk about apple. சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க. Abida, eat the moon. Abida, eat the moon. Abida, good top fiber, madam, adi. Tora, talk about. We're talking about. Body in need. Abida. Dam teddy. Dam tata. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Nitish. Well done. Very good. Clap hands for Nitish, children. Very good. Thank you, Nitish. Next is Riyasri. Riyasri.
Second, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah. Little bit back, Riyasri.
இருங்க. போ. தள்ளி நில்லு. தள்ளி போ. சொல்லுடா. மார்னிங். சொல்லுடா.
Yes, Riyasri, come on. Very good girl, Riyasri. Come on, Riyasri.
சத்தமா 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 சொல்லு.
Louder, Riyasri. Louder சொல்லுங்க. I can't hear Riyasri's talk.
சத்தமா.
Very good. Thank you, Riyasri. Very good. Thank you, Riyasri. Okay, next is Sara. Sara.
Say good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
So how did you do it? Say something about the now.
What costume is this?
Come here. First, I'm a bum. Introduce them.
I want to
Bum.
come from the and I want shopping. I want this one. I think this one.
Okay. What do you need? Loud.
I eat red pumpkin the flowers and trees. I never think I'm a friendly never think I'm a fresh anything.
Over, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Clap hands for Sarah, everyone. Clap hands for this bumblebee. Thank you, bumblebee. Okay. Next is Madhuvanti. The same Madhuvanti.
Go.
Mm. Start, Madhuvanti.
Start பண்ணுங்க. I'm going to sing.
I'm going to sing
Maybe sing.
maybe song.
Little bit move back.
பாடுங்க.
I'm a little honey bee. I'm a little honey bee.
சத்தமா.
I am an insect in November. I am an insect in November. I make honey from the flowers. I make honey from the flowers. I live in it's again shape. I live in it's again shape.
I make a sound of.
I make sound of buzz. Buzz. Thank you.
Very good. Rhyme. You sang a rhyme instead of speaking about your talk. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Mama Madhuvanti. Good. Next is Stravanya.
பின்னாடி தள்ளி போயிடு.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Shavanya talk about butterfly.
Life cycle of butterfly.
Life cycle of butterfly.
Life cycle has 4 life stages. Stages. கீழே வச்சுட்டு சொல்லுங்க. என்னலாம் louder.
Caterpillar. Chrysalis. Other butterfly.
Sing rhymes.
First, the butterfly and chrysalis. Out of the caterpillar wings, many wings. Caterpillar twin, before the caterpillar twin, for the chrysalis. First, the butterfly.
And gloves. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Stravanya. Clap hands for Stravanya. Very good. She spoke about the life cycle of a butterfly and she sang the rhyme too. Very good, Stravanya. Next is Tilakar. Tilakar.
Hello, everyone. My name is Spider-Man. I have a leg. Thank you.
Huh? That's all.
Last minute program.
Huh? Are you joking really? Okay, fine. I'm noting it down, okay? Thank you, Matilakar. Next is Adarsh. Adarsh.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Sol.
I
I
am.
am. Good morning.
Good morning. I am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
morning, sir.
Strawberry.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಸ್ತ್.
I am.
Next.
I am red in color. I am yummy and healthy.
Next is I am. You see.
You see?
Next I am. Itchy. Vitamin C.
Vitamins. Thank you.
Very good, Strawberry. Thank you, Strawberry. Very good, Ma, Adarsh. Thank you so much, Adarsh, Mom. Yeah, okay, fine. If you want to change your dress, Madhwanti, you can change your dress. Okay, let's finish only one worksheet today, okay? I want you to take worksheet number D100 empty. Take worksheet number D100 empty. You have numbers from 1 to 50. Start writing it. D100 empty. This page. Okay, from number 1 to 50 is given. You have to write in these boxes. Number 1 is given. Next, what number comes? 10 is also given. You need not write number 10. Likewise, 11 is given. Need not write number 11. From 12, you have to write. Like that, finish it. Come on, only one worksheet for today. We'll finish it off and end our session.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
page number, ma'am.
D100 empty.
Okay, ma'am.
Write today's date, children. Today's date is 2626-11-2121. What is it, Sarah? What are you showing me?
What is that?
Honey bee. Honey bee. Take your worksheet and write. Come on, let me see how you are writing. Come
She
on.
will ask what costume Manila ma'am is wearing today, ma'am. In the morning
Ayyo.
class, what this boy is doing, that girl is wearing.
Am I a child? Huh? You are only children. We are
That's what I
celebrating
said,
Children's
ma'am
Day.
is not.
I am not a child. Very clever, this girl. Huh? What, ma? What? Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I'm hearing you, Nakshatra. Sorry, Nakshatra. Tell me. Very nice. Traffic light. நீங்களே வரைஞ்சீங்களா?
சொல்லு.
Very good. High five. High five கொடுங்க மேம்க்கு. Good. Now come on, continue with your worksheet. Good girl. சமத்து.
அதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு ஐடி இருப்பாங்க. நம்பர்ஸ்.
Children, rote count and write, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. In between, if you don't know any numbers from the beginning, you have to rote count and see. Yeah, here you can look at it for your reference. From number 1 is given. Spell and write, children. Spell and write 2-digit numbers and all. You have to spell and write, children. 111 is already given in your worksheet. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2 0 20 is given, you need not write, okay? And then 2 1 21 is also given in your worksheet, okay? Next to 21, 22, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. 30 is already given, you need not write. 3 1 31 is already given. Next to 31, you have to write 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, 4 0 40, 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50. Can anyone spell your numbers and write? Unmute yourself, spell your number and write what number you are writing.
இந்த சொல்லிட்டே
Nimalana. Okay. Fine, Nimalan. Come on. What number you are writing?
எழுது 4141 அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்லு
4 to 40. 4 3 43. 4 4 44. 4 5 45. 4 6 48. 4 7 47. 4 8 48. 4 9 49.
எழுது
4 9 49. 5 50.
Very good, Nimalan. Super. Well done.
Nimalan finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Nimalan.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, ma.
More fun. More.
Yes, Nakshatra, what number you are writing? 3 to 32. Okay. Right. Next what number?
சவுண்டா சொல்லு மேம் கேக்குறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர்.
Very good. Very good, Shravanya.
4 24.
Good.
5 35.
Mm.
6 35.
36. Good. Very good girl. Next. 3 7.
36 36 எழுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர். இல்ல கரெக்ட் தான். கையில ஓடு. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர்.
Ilango, what number you are writing?
இல்லங்க சொல்லுப்பா வாட் நம்பர் யூ ஆர் ரைட்டிங்
5 மட்டும் தப்பு வந்துருச்சு.
சரி அதை நம்ம கரெக்ட் பண்றேன் இது நீ என்னன்னு சொல்லு வாட் நம்பர் யூ ஆர் ரைட்டிங் 3 3
5
3 5
35.
Very good. 3 5 35. Super.
ஓகே
Sarah, what number you are writing?
Sorry, what number you are writing? Sarah.
What number you are writing, Sarah?
Please. Sarah. Excuse me.
Sarah, what number you are writing?
Ma'am, என்ன கேக்குறாங்க what number you are writing now? Can you say the number? Sarah, I'm asking you only. Sarah, what number you were writing on the point? The ma'am என்ன கூப்பிடுறாங்க you have to respond. What number you were writing at that time?
I don't know what number is that. I can't see. Come on, tell me what number is that.
என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுனீங்க நீங்க இந்த நம்பரை என்ன எழுதிட்டு இருந்தீங்க நீங்க கேட்கும்போது
94.
no she said 94 for 49 ma'am
Achucho. 4 9 49. Keep your finger and read always. Okay. Very good, Mamokita.
wrong answer
49. Correct answer only, but you have read it ulta. Okay. Whenever you are reading a number, keep your pointer finger on that number and read. Okay, Sarah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good girl. Riyasri, what number you are writing?
4747.
Super, 47. Very good.
Ma'am, minimum.
Yes, ma. Finish, Nitish.
Minimum.
Very good. Madhuvanti finished. Very good. Who else is still writing? Very good, Madhuvanti.
This to ma'am. This to ma'am.
Very good, Nakshatra. Finish off. So fast. Very good. Very good. Very good, Riyasri. Everyone has finished. Is there still anyone writing? Has everyone finished? Nimalan finished. Mokshita finished. Madhuvanti finished. Nitish finished. Riyasri finished. Nakshatra also finished. And then Shravani also finished. So everyone have finished. Very good. Big round of applause to my children. Thank you so much, children. You all have performed very well. I liked all your performances. Thanks for your cooperation. Have a happy weekend. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Bye and thank you, children.
Bye.
Bye, ma.
Bye.